This is 30 Days Spoken Maasai Language and Culture Orientation. My name is Teto Oletutumam, Head Language Coach, 30 Days Maasai Spoken Language and Culture Orientation, which is a course designed to help you get the basics in understanding the Maasai language, whether oral or written, and most importantly, be able to develop these skills yourself and through time be fluent in the language. Thank you so much for joining this free class. We have 3 more days of these free lessons, and I am so excited to tell you that I have already seen hope in some people. Yes, thank you so much to all of you who are responding to the exercises, to all of you who are engaging with the drills and sending in their voice notes and sending in their assignments. I say assuredly. To the rest of us, there was a survey that we sent previously on the group class. Why don't you respond to that? Please respond to this survey, seeing as this will help me to be able to get these courses to you in the best way. Because once you answer this survey for me, I'll understand the best way to give you these lessons, the best timing probably, and what emphasis or what areas we may need to put emphasis on. The second and most important point for me to share today's lessons is this. As a recap, from day 1, remember, we started collecting vocabulary, nouns, verbs, pronouns, adjectives, and as we continued on day 4, day 5, we started constructing sentences. So for today's lesson, I want to emphasize to you the importance of collecting these nouns. So how many nouns do you know so far? When you read a noun, can you identify, first of all, that this is a noun? There is a way that you're able to do this, based on the masculine, feminine gender form. You can know whether a noun is masculine or, whether a word is a noun or not by the prefix that it starts with. For masculine nouns, they always start with ol. For feminine nouns, they always start with n in singular or in plural. For masculine, it's il in plural. So collect as many nouns as possible. How that any word you see necessarily or you hear, you will be able to tell that it's a noun.